Page 137, number 25. The graph is that of the function y equals f of x that can be obtained by transforming the graph of y equals the square root of x. Write a formula for the function of f. So what we have to do is identify the translations that have happened to the original parent function. So if you need to, you can put the parent function in your calculator and see what it looks like and compare it to the original graph. I'm just going to sketch it on the graph that's given here. So the square root function looks like this. And so what we can see is it has pretty much the same shape, except it's been shifted to the left to this point, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units. So the equation is going to look like this. F of x equals the square root of x, and then we're going to have a plus 5 to show that it's been translated left. That's where the plus comes in, and the 5 is for the number of units.